Last period we had seen meaning of bank reconciliation statement. It is a statement mainly prepared to bring the cash book balance in agree with the passbook balance. Okay, so now we will study the causes of difference between cash book and passbook. So already I said, if there is a difference, some reason may be there. So what are the reason? It will lead to difference between cash book balance and passbook balance. Then one thing you have to remember, so if you know 3 4 5 6 7, these 7 causes, then you can easily do the problem. Only these causes if you know, then you can do all the problem. That is enough. Then I can complete this chapter. Okay, causes of differences in the cash book and the passbook balances. It is a difficult chapter, but if you know the causes, then it will be very easy. So first one, check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment. What is this? Check issued but not presented for payment. Suppose cash book is prepared by the company, passbook is prepared by the bank. So suppose you think cash book balance now 10,000, passbook balance 10,000. So first cause I said, check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not yet presented for payment means you look here, you think that purchased goods. So purchased goods from, suppose I am the businessman, I purchased goods from Tomlin. Okay, purchased goods, that you have to do. Purchased goods from Tomlin, rupees 5,000. Then I issued a check. I issued a check 5,000. Clear? I given the check to Tomlin. Check issued. You think I purchased goods on goods from Tomlin and I given the check 5,000 check I given. So I am preparing the cash book. So what I will do? Minus 5,000. Clear? Because I given the check that I can record in the cash book, but not yet presented by the bank. Till now, he didn't go to his bank and he presented that check. So then now my cash book balance will be how much? 10,000. Because no change. Because why? He didn't give that check for presenting that check, for collecting the amount. If he present the check, then no difference between cash book and passbook. No need to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Is it correct? Okay. If he didn't present, then only there may be difference. Okay. The entry which may have been recorded in the cash book but not in the passbook. But in the vice versa also. It will create to prepare which one? Bank reconciliation statement. Now it is clear. So check issued but not presented for payment. What is this? I given the check, I purchased goods and I given the check. So I wrote in the cash book minus 10,000 I have in the bank. Passbook also 10,000. I given 5,000 check. Now my balance is 5,000. Then passbook 10,000 already have, but he didn't present that check. So now also 10,000. So I given, so compared to cash book, the passbook, cash book decrease, passbook increase. Comparison, if you are looking, cash in this cash book decrease, passbook increase. So if you have any doubt related to this course, you have to ask. Then only you will get it. Suppose if you know these 7 courses, then you can solve all the problem. Okay, so you look, check issued, bracket you have to write purchased goods and given the check. Okay, purchased goods and given the check, cash book decrease, passbook increase. No need to write which one, no need to study the explanation. You have to think this, you have to understand. Whether cash book increase or decrease, that you have to understand. Cash book decrease, passbook increase. Sharath, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Aditya?
No, sir.
Okay. So next one, so first case is over. Check issued, otherwise check drawn. That is also check drawn, but not yet presented for the payment. Cash book decrease, passbook increase. Next, check paid into bank, but not yet collected by the bank. But not yet collected or credited by the bank. Check paid into bank, check paid or deposited, check paid or deposited into bank or credited into bank, check paid or deposited into bank but not yet collected by the bank. Second cause, check paid or deposited into bank but not yet collected by the bank. Check paid or deposited into bank. First case, check issued. Second case, check deposited or paid into bank but not yet collected by the bank. So here you have to remember, I said here purchased goods, sold goods, and got the check. That you have to remember, then it will be very easy. Okay, check paid into bank but not yet collected by the bank, but not yet cleared, but not yet credited by the bank, but not yet recorded by the bank. Recorded, credited, anything, that is same cause. Okay, check paid into bank but not, check paid or deposited into bank but not yet collected by the bank. Okay, so I will tell. So here the same. We have 10,000 balance in the cash book and passbook. Then I sold goods to Anjo and I got 3,000 check, and I got 3,000 check, then I will record the 3,000 check, then I deposited into the bank. So then my amount will increase. I got the check now, so my amount will increase 13,000 because I got the check and deposited. Deposit means so my check will, my amount, bank amount will increase if I deposited the check. If I deposited the check means my amount will increase. Then, but in the passbook, they didn't credit. I deposited the check in the bank. I given the check, but that check amount they didn't record. The bank people, they didn't record that amount in our passbook. They didn't credit. They didn't credit our amount. Okay, so that is, so in that case, no change in the bank. So in this case, you look at comparison, cash book increase, passbook decrease. I deposited the check, then our cash book I will write plus 3,000. But in the passbook, they didn't write any entry. Didn't write any entry. So passbook decrease. Comparison. In this case, cash book increase, passbook decrease. If they recorded, then no need to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so now two causes I said, check issued, check drawn. You look, cash book decrease, then that opposite non. Cash book decrease, check deposited, check paid, cash book increase, then passbook decrease. Okay, check issued, cash book decrease, check deposited or paid, cash book increase. Atul, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Next one, bank charges interest on overdraft debited in the passbook. Debited in the passbook. Bank charges interest on overdraft, service charges debited in the passbook. Here no need to take any example. You look at this sentence, debited in the passbook. Debited in the passbook. Debited in the passbook means passbook decrease. Okay. We said bank credit balance means our amount is more. Debited in the passbook, debited in the bank book, passbook decrease. No need of any example. Debited in the passbook, not in the cash book. That is only here. One sentence is implied, not recorded in the cash book. Debited in the passbook, but not recorded in the cash book. Then only difference will come. Okay, but not recorded in the cash book. That is implied sentence. Okay, so debited in the passbook means passbook decrease. Credited in the passbook, debited in the passbook, debited in the bank book means passbook decrease. Credited in the passbook and credited in the bank book means passbook increase. Okay, debited in the passbook, passbook decrease, so cash book increase. Okay, cash book increase. If you want example, the same example, 10,000. So they charged the bank charges 500. They didn't record, but not recorded in the cash book. But because they didn't get any information from the bank, they didn't get any information from the bank. Cash book increase, passbook decrease. Okay, because they didn't get information from the bank. We debited bank charges, we debited interest on overdraft. Okay, so they didn't get a message, so they didn't record. So in this case, cash book increase, passbook decrease. So debited in the bank book, debited in the passbook means passbook decrease. But opposite, you look, debited in the cash book means cash book increase. Debited in the cash book, because cash book debit side receipts we are writing, deposits. Okay, debited in the cash book means cash book increase, credited in the cash book means cash book decrease. But passbook opposite. Debited in the passbook means passbook decrease, credited in the passbook means passbook increase. Next, third one over fourth. Only 7. Next, direct deposit into the bank by traders customer. By traders customer. Direct deposit into the bank by traders customer. Direct deposit into the bank by traders customer. Suppose I sold goods on credit to Anila. So instead of giving cash directly, what she did, she directly deposited the amount into my bank account. The businessman, I am a businessman, in my bank account without informing me. Okay, 5,000 direct deposit into the bank by traders. Traders means me, I am business customer. So 5,000 I sold goods directly, she deposited in my bank. So I didn't get any information. So in this case, passbook increase, cash book decrease. Passbook increase, cash book decrease. Okay, so here no need of this example. You can understand direct deposit by the customer without informing us. That is a implied one, without informing us. So our passbook will increase, cash book decrease. Passbook increase, cash book decrease. Direct deposit into bank by traders customer. Okay, so now I taught 4 courses. First, check issued, purchased goods given check, cash book decrease, then passbook increase. Check deposited, paid, our cash book increase, so passbook decrease. Bank charges, interest on overdraft, anything debited in the passbook. Debited in the passbook means passbook decrease, so cash book increase. Credited in the passbook means passbook increase, okay, cash book decrease. So we didn't record in the cash book, that is implied one. Here means direct deposit into the bank by traders customer. One of our customer daily deposit in our account, so our passbook will increase. We didn't get any information about this, so cash book decrease. Next one, interest and dividend collected or credited by the bank. Interest and dividend collected or credited. Collected or credited by the bank. That is credited in the passbook. Credited in the passbook. Same. Interest and dividend collected or credited by the bank. Credited by the bank. So what is this? Interest and dividend collected or credited in the passbook. Suppose we invest in the shares of a particular company. So we suppose I am a businessman, I purchased the shares of Reliance company. Reliance company shares I purchased. So in return I will get a dividend. Who are collecting the dividend? Bank is collecting the dividend. So I given the instruction, you collect the dividend from that which one company. So from bank account only they will credit in the account. So I given my bank account number. So they collected and credited. Suppose 2000 is the dividend, they collected and credited in the bank, but not recorded in the cash book. That is implied one. Okay, it is collected and credited. So in this case, passbook increase, cash book decrease. Credited in the bank, credited by the bank. So passbook increase, cash book decrease, because they didn't record in the cash book. We didn't get any information from the bank. We credited the interest. If suppose we invested any amount in the bank, same bank, deposit is there. So if they are crediting the interest, we will get interest if we are depositing amount. Simply we won't invest any amount in the bank. So return we are expecting. So that if they are crediting in the bank, credited by the bank, but we didn't get the information. So cash book same amount only. So if we are comparing passbook increase, cash book decrease. Next, direct payment made by the bank on behalf of the customer. Direct payment made by the bank on behalf of the customer means payment made by the bank on behalf of the customer. Suppose we given one-time instruction, which one, to the bank to give electricity bill or our insurance, LIC, or a water bill, so anything. So electricity bill or insurance paid by the bank on behalf of the customer. So if you give one-time instruction, which one, every month they will give our which one, electricity, insurance. Suppose if any loan is there, installment, EMI, so they will give. If you have purchased any car, so they will give. Okay, they will make a payment on behalf of the customer. So we have to give one-time instruction to the bank. Okay, if you give, then they will make the payment. Suppose if they make our payment on behalf of the customer, but we didn't get, the businessman, we didn't get information about that. So in that case, what we'll do? What is the effect? So if they given electricity bill 1000, okay, so we didn't get any information. That is implied sentence. So in this case, passbook decrease, cash book increase. Passbook decrease because they made payment. Our passbook, our bank balance will decrease, but we didn't get any information. Cash book is same only. Okay, payment made. But one thing you have to remember, this one here means direct deposit by the customer into the bank. So our passbook will increase. Here means payment made by the bank on behalf of the customer. On behalf of the customer means customer here means what? Business. On behalf of the customer, bank made the payment. But it is implied that we didn't get any information from the bank. So in this case, Passbook decrease, cash book increase. Now, last one. Check deposited or bill discounted, that is dishonor. We deposited one check into the bank, that is dishonor. So if it is dishonor, no doubt, no need to think anything, our bank amount will increase. So I deposited one check. Okay, I deposited one check, but this amount is no value because I got the check. I sold goods. Example, I sold goods on sold goods to Anila. I got the check and I presented that check into the bank. But while collecting time, bank found that Anila have no any balance in the bank account. So it will be dishonor. Okay, that is dishonor check, no value. Okay, so in this case, my passbook will decrease. If you are comparing, cash book increase. Thing is that if any dishonor is there, passbook will decrease. Bank transaction, passbook will decrease. Okay, so if any dishonor is there, they will charge some amount also. Suppose if I got which one, if we got any that you have to remember. Next, so what are the courses we studied? Check issued, Shubham Pal, Irfan. Turn on your video. Check issued but not presented for payment. So in this case, cash book decrease, passbook increase. Check paid or deposited but not collected, cash book increase, passbook decrease. Then which one? Interest on overdraft, bank charges debited in the passbook, passbook decrease, cash book increase. Suppose interest credited in the passbook means passbook increase. Interest credited in the passbook, dividend collected, credited in the passbook, bank book means passbook increase, cash book decrease. Next, direct deposit by the customer into the bank. Our customer directly deposited amount into the bank means our passbook increase, cash book decrease. Next, payment, electricity bill, insurance premium paid by the bank on behalf of our instruction, our passbook will decrease, cash book increase. Some case we have to look the passbook. Debited in the passbook, you look first passbook decrease. Credited in the passbook increase. Then opposite only, cash book. Clear? Then which one? If any dishonor, any check deposited, bill deposit, that is dishonor means our passbook will decrease. Okay, then cash book increase. So in this case means sometimes it is recorded in the passbook, not in the cash book. Sometimes it may have been recorded in the passbook, but not in the cash book. Sometimes the transaction which may have been recorded in the cash book, but not in the passbook. So in this case only, we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement. So you have to study each courses. Then what is the effect, increase or decrease, that you have to study. Okay. Then next period we will do the problem. Okay. So study these courses. Next period I will ask each courses whether cash book will increase or decrease, that you have to tell. Only that. Okay. Then you can easily solve all the problem. Okay. Thank you.